Hi, hello everyone, a very good day. Welcome you all to my channel. Let us begin our today's session. Come on, let us refresh our GK knowledge. Animals and birds in the wild. Which animal is found only in China? Your correct answer is giant panda. Animals and birds. How many types of puffins exist? Your correct answer is 4. Thank you for watching this channel. Please like, share and subscribe my video. I wish you all to have a very nice day.